There are certain things I need or would like in order to live a natural life in an unnatural world. And because I'm out here in the middle of the Western Pacific on a little 13 mile by 5 mile island, I can't always get the things that I want here. So I order from Vitamin Life. And no, they're not a sponsor, and no, I get no sort of compensation for this, but they're a good company, good customer service. And if you're watching from here on Saipan, they actually have a flat rate shipping here to Saipan, no matter the size of the order. So that's a good thing. So anyway, just to take a little break from the Q&A series, here is what's in the box in October of 2022. A lot of stuff. I think I was surprised at the size of the box this time, and I gather the reason for it is that I ordered a bottle of castor oil, and a few orders ago one came broken, so I'm sure they're taking a little extra precaution to get the shipping right. So anyway, inside my box I have some J.R. Liggett's shampoo. I used to, or I still use Bronner's, Dr. Bronner's, but in order to change it up a bit and have a soap with as little residuals as possible, I found out about Liggett's old-fashioned bar. It's actually a shampoo, but I use it and can use it for regular bathing. So this is tea tree and hemp oil. It's a little pricey. I think these are $7 each for these, but good to know that I'm not putting any extra chemicals on my body, so I spend the extra for Liggett's. Okay, what's next? Also have some betaine HCl, hydrochloric acid with pepsin. In order to get the digestive system, get the acids in the digestive system working, this is good to have. You could also use apple cider vinegar as well as a way to introduce acids to the system, but especially after doing a 4 to 5 day fast, I wanted to make sure that I had an extra dose of HCl with pepsin, improves digestive health. So this is a Solar brand. Next I have, now this is just for my, just a treat. These are actually cashews, whole cashews, unsalted, organic. They're a little pricey if you buy them in the supermarket, so these are actually only $7 each, which sounds like a lot, but works out cheaper than buying them in the supermarket. So I have a few of those. I think I bought out all their stock, so I have 3 of the organic and 3 of the regular. I'll also be using that to make smoothies as well. So another cashew. Then I have psyllium husk. Now this is a fiber, it's just a straight fiber, so it's used to be an intestinal broom, if you will, to bulk up in the digestive system and clean out, and helps with bowel movements. So psyllium husk. If you buy a supermarket brand, you know, some of those Metamucil type brands, that's all it is. It's just psyllium husk. It's a fiber, seed fiber, that when combined with water bulks up in the system and helps to encourage peristalsis to and bowel movements. Let's see. The last order I sent out, I ordered some, this one is oil of oregano. So very powerful antibiotic of sorts. So just a few drops under the tongue. So this is my oil of oregano. That if I were to be traveling, I would make sure I travel with a bottle of this as well. So oil of oregano, you can look it up on the internet to see some of the great things that it does. And my huge 32-ounce bottle of yummy castor oil. And I use that for the castor oil flush, 2 tablespoons in the morning, then followed by, I'll leave the instructions. You can get the instructions in the book, A Clean Cell Never Dies, but I'll also leave it in the description. So castor oil, good for the skin, good for the hair, but also good to flush out the system. Very, very powerful way of flushing out the system before a fast. So castor oil. And finally, again, this is just a treat for me. This is spry gum with xylitol, sugar-free gum. Gum is not something that I grew up eating or chewing, but just in order to give my teeth some exercise, I decided to try some of this out. And I even use it, even though the xylitol does does raise the blood sugar a little bit, activates the digestive function very slightly. So as a way of just feeding that need to be chewing on something during an extended fast, sometimes I'll break out the spry gum. And that's it. So that's what's in the box today. And maybe I'll share with you how I make the smoothies with the raw cashews and the milk, the rice dream milk, rice milk or almond milk. But for now, just wanted to take a little break and share with you was in the box. See you in the next video.